So yes, this is an invisible split. I hope I'm not embarrassing you. She has invisible split with her ocean wave. It's about 2 years old. It is? Okay. We reused it and we brought it back to life. Put some Bantu knots in it last night and now it's just wavy, I guess. I don't know, but this is ocean wave. Nobody's even looking. You want to give us a shake?
A shake right in my hair.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Juicy. This was that.
I was copying Laura.
That's how she did it. Just like this.
This is funny.
That wasn't how you do it, Tracy. Like, you're making it seem so hard.
I don't know how to do it.
Just do it like this. There you go. I mean, I wasn't looking. You did it right, though. See your teeth. Oh my goodness, somebody's behind you.
Stop! That is so scary, Brenda.
What the hell? You're not making noise. I'm sure it's the prophet. This is without the light. This is with the light. Just make some noise. Bye.